Hello friends, welcome to Gagan's kitchen. Today I'm here with some green mangoes. What I'm gonna do with them? I'm gonna show you how to make very yummy beverage. It's Indian, we call it Aam Panna in India. So this is very delicious, very healthy beverage from India during this hot weather. This one is a very good beverage. So slice them. Peeled and sliced. So be careful, you're not chopping these seeds. It's seeds with that. See, I have sliced them a big chunk, roughly chunks, and I will pressure cook them. This, as I said, that these are approximately 1 kilo of green mangoes, and I will put them in this pressure cooker, and approximately, this is my measurement cup, and I will do, this is 1.5 cup of water, and another 1.5 cup of water can go. So approximately 3 cup of water I have used, yeah, and I will pressure cook in this one. So here you can see a little bit down. Yeah. So once one boil will come, I'll put lid on it and I will pressure cook it. Now see, water is boiling and I will put this lid on the pressure cooker and pressure it, and I will pressure it for 2 to 3 minutes and it will be ready for next process. It's been cool and I have released the pressure already, and open the lid and we will check. See, it's ready. It's ready to blend now. So what I will do, I will blend it with blender. Now you can see after blending, this has become a smooth paste kind of thing. So I will add more water into it, and I'm using this Jaggery powder, approximately 1.5 cup. If I need later on, I will check how sweet I want. Then according to you can adjust this sweetness according to the how sour your red mangoes and how much sugar you need. So I will start with 1.5 cup, and I know approximately for these mangoes this will be enough according to my taste. So I will add this one and I will mix in this paste, mango paste, and will add more water. It depends upon what sort of sugar or sweetness you are adding in. If you will add a white sugar, it will remain green the way the mangoes color are, or the little bit lemonish yellow color. as I'm using red oranges jaggery powder, so the color would be like this, a little orange. So I will leave it for boiling so that the jaggery and mango cooks properly. Mango anyways we have pressure cooked, so they are cooked. So I want this jaggery to be cooked a little bit so that I can keep it later on in the fridge. I will put them in a bottle and then I'll keep it in the fridge. Whenever I want them, then I will serve it with the additional spices and all, and I will show you how I do that and what spices exactly I will use to make that beverage to serve. This is ready. It's boiled, cooked properly. This will make approximately 2 bottles of 1 liter. Aam Panna is ready to transfer into bottles. I have this bottle and it will contain approximately 1 liter, little bit more than 1 liter. So I will use this funnel to transfer in this one. And once it will transfer to the bottle, I will put this bottle into the fridge. I will put this one in another bottle. So this is ready to go into the fridge. I will show you how I will serve it. So I will put approximately a quarter cup of this concentrate in this serving glass, and I will add a little bit lemon juice. I like lemon juice in this one, and a slice of lemon in it, little bit grounded roasted cumin powder, little bit of mint, black salt, normal salt, sea salt, and I have a cold water here. I will add in this one. Fill this one and mix the spices. You can add ice cubes if you like, and fresh mint leaves. If you have fresh mint leaves, you can put that as well, and it's very refreshing. I'm sure you will like it. Try this recipe, share your comments, and please subscribe my channel. And for further notification, please don't forget to press bell icon. And I will see you with some new recipe next week. See ya!